Come on, bro. You ain't got one yet? You ain't got a PS5 yet?
Oh yeah. More heat. Yup. Straight like that. That's a women's 11, so that's a 9.5 for men. Then we got a men's 10 in these low tops right here. Let's get straight to it. The Chicago low top ones. Fire. I'm gonna have to double up. Y'all be sleeping on low tops? I'm not. If I like the low tops, I'm gonna cop them. But all the Jordan 1 low tops ain't like that. Pass on a lot of them joints. But these joints, legit. My size, not for resale. Them joints right. Yes, sir. Get to it. Everything official over here. I forgot what these come from. Finish line? Yes, I already unboxed these joints and I caught an imperfection in these. I had the yeah, these are hot top. The Zoom CMFT patent Chicago joints, but they women's. But them joints is fire. But I had the it was an imperfection. It was like some glue on these bitches. You can see it right here. It had to shave some of that glue off. Can you see that? It was worse than that, and I damn near scratched the shoe up trying to, you know what I'm saying? But that ain't right though. Y'all gotta stop. We paying full price for these shoes. Y'all gotta stop giving us the worst quality. Like, check the shoe before you ship them out, bro. I'm talking to Nike and Finish Line, because Nike gotta send them to Finish Line first, right? Like, it was worse than this. That shit looked worse than that. You can see it better right there. I'm like, what the hell is that, bro? The glue sticking out. I had to cut it with, then I had to get the tweezers and try to pick it apart. Still can't get all of it off, man. Y'all got me fucked up. I'm gonna keep this pair because it was the last pair, but I'm definitely about to call y'all bitches. I'm tired of y'all fucking shit up, bro. I just had to send some shoes back to Nike for having a damn cut in the shoe, like it got cut by a razor or something. What's wrong with these people? But yeah, them some these ain't all the pickups. I just had to do these two right quick. And then got one more surprise. I ain't gonna be able to I got one hand on the phone and one hand on this poster. This is a Jordan poster though. I'm gonna have to unbox that separately or unwrap it. But yeah, that's basically what's on that joint.
But wait, there's more. Hang on to your seat, baby, cause this one's a screamer.
All right, a couple more pickups. You already know. eBay authenticated. I had to get these because they ain't did no restock that I've been able to catch. I had to get these, bro. Come on, man. Come on, this top quality sticker. Got that right there. I had to get these, man. I had them in 07. So, you know I had to get them when they drop again, man. Come on, man. I do this Jordan shit, man. Stop playing with me, man. Like I'm from Memphis, ain't it? Come on, mine. Oh, mine. See them Steph fives, mine. Oh, mine. Like I'm from Memphis, ain't it? Oh, mine, Cole. What is that, Cole? Yes, man, look at the. That bitch look like it wrinkled or like breaking apart, but that's how the material is made. Them bitches fire. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. You know, everything official. Yeah, I got one more. Got one more. Yeah. Fresh off the box. Yeah. Man, I wonder why this Funko Pop was $30, bro. Come on now. Big guy right now, cause I got a couple Funko Pops. I got the Jordan, I got the Biggie, I got the Pop, and they real small compared to this one. I was wondering why this joint was $30. I thought it was gonna be the same size as the other one, but this like a Walmart exclusive. That joint is fire though. I'm gonna keep that on ice. Not gonna open it. You know. Right. Got the flash on, it's getting dark, so see a little glare on that bit. That's the Walmart exclusive though. That's why I went ahead and snatched it, because it was like, if I buy from anywhere else, it's gonna be a resale price. Yeah, and we go.